Good evening, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to talk about is logistic regression. And logistic regression is used for classification problems where the dependent variable is binary, i.e. there's going to be either success or failure. So what I've done is I've got a logistic regression problem here. And we're going to go ahead and go over this logistic regression problem so you can see how it works. So we're going to go again with the hours studied from 1 to 10. And the idea is that the more hours you study, the higher your score is going to be, and it's going to be whether you pass or fail. So we've got our hours studied from 1 to 10, and then we have a linear predictor. So your intercept, your beta 0, is going to be a -4, and your slope, your beta 1, is going to be a 0.8. So we can say your linear predictor is your intercept plus your slope times the hour studied. So that's going to be 3.2, and then you copy and paste that all the way down to 10, and it'll go all the way to 4. And then we check our predicted probability. So your predicted probability is going to be 1 divided by 1 plus exponent negative b4. And that's going to give you a 0.039, and you copy and paste that all the way down to number 10, where you get a 0.98. And so on number 5 hours studied, you're going to have a 0.5. And so whenever you deal with logistic regression, it's anything below 0.5 is 0, and anything above or equal to 0.5 is a 1. So in this instance, we've got 4 zeros. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 hours studied. You're not going to pass. It's going to be a 0. But if you study for 5 hours to 10 hours, it's going to be a pass. And then so what I've done is I've made a chart here for you with predicted probability. And so you can see that the more hours you study, the higher your predicted probability is going to be. And then if the predicted probability is below 0.5, then it's not going to be a pass. So it's going to be a 0. And if it's 0.5 or above, it's going to be a pass, so it'll be a 1. So you can see how that works. Now, that is how you perform linear regression in Excel. So I hope you got something out of this video. The next video, we're going to be talking about some other statistical subjects. So I hope that you decide to watch the next video as well.